So hello everyone, in this video I am going to cover how to apply for a project work at LPSC. LPSC stands for Liquid Propulsion System Center. It is a center of ISRO. Now we will see what is the instruction for applying this project work. So you can see here, candidates should be a citizen of India, and if you are pursuing a degree like engineering, B.Tech, then should have must completed 6 semester. If you are doing ME and M.Tech, then should have completed first semester. If you are pursuing BSc, then only final year students are eligible. If you are pursuing MSc, then student have completed their first semester. And if you are a PhD scholar, then scholars should have completed their coursework. Then there is one criteria for a CGPA, like minimum criteria 60%, so you don't need to worry, it's only 6.32. And now I will show you, you have to download a form. You can see I have already downloaded it. You just have to fill like name of the students, phone number, present study of course. You can also see there is one declaration, you have to fill it and get signed by yourself. There is one undertaking by the college or institution, you have to take this from your college, you have to get signed this from your HOD, and you just have to do one mail with your resume on this lpis@lpsc.gov.in. Then after 1 week or 2 week you will get your selection mail. So thank you so much for watching, and next video I am going to tell about how to apply for an internship at LPSC. So if you have any question, then comment, and please do subscribe. Thank you for watching.